Hello YouTube. Okay, so we've got the caster heating up, the metal caster. The way you operate this thing, we've got it in Fahrenheit, calibrated in Fahrenheit, is you set this temperature to the desired temperature, and then you say go, and then without the crucible installed, this is what the instruction says, go ahead and wait until this gets to the temperature you want it to run at. When you look down in the video, there's a thermostat wire in there that measures the temperature. So we've got the crucible 1/3 loaded with brass. So over here, as the instruction calls for, they said that we'll put that in there and then the brass will start to melt. And then we're going to put the rest of the brass in. And then we've got our mold here. This will just be the hub. We're just going to cast a hub right there, and we'll see how this works out. I was drilling some vent holes, and that's what caused the backside of the mold to blast out. Okay, it doesn't call for it in the instructions, but I'm going to peek. There you go. All right. Alright, here we go, guys. We're going to load the crucible up. Alright. Alright. The nice tongs they gave us. Now they say, well, watch, we should see the temperature go down.
Mm-hmm.
And they say it will quickly recover. You can see the temperature going down now. Okay, so it dropped down to 1285, 1284, and now it's starting to recover. It probably took 2 or 3 minutes for it to drop down, and you can see the temperature starting to recover right now. And then, per the instructions, we'll start adding a little bit more brass here in just a little bit. Okay, guys, we're about 1700. We're going to check and see what we can see in there. We're going to open her up and poke around and see if that stuff's starting to melt yet. I'm going to be careful not to breathe around it. And we just got a steel rod here. And I can't see what's going on. It's still hard. Okay. We're going to let it continue to heat up, and we'll check back. So we got some molten brass in there now, and we're just adding a few more pieces that we have. And as we're adding the pieces, we notice the temperature changes. Hold on for a second here. Okay, so we've added about another third or less of brass in here, and you can see that the temperature dropped from 1800 to 1752. So we'll let this heat up some more, and we'll be right back. All right, we're up to temperature. I've put some flux in there. Not knowing what I'm doing, I think what I do is take this and turn it into that hole. Okay. Oh. Okay. Give me that stick, Jack. tons of ash and stuff in there. Okay. And put this back in here according to the instructions. Alrighty. Okay. Yeah. All right, go ahead and grab it. Put here. There you go. Just lift that up. Lift it up.
I don't think it works.
Just lift it up.
I don't think it worked.
What?
It didn't work.
It didn't work?
It didn't make it to the mold.
It
What?
may have. We don't know yet. It's still in.
How do you know that?
Okay.
Oh, I was thinking we did the whole wheel. We didn't do the whole wheel.
Only the spokes. Hold on to it tight, Dad. I'll come over and get it for you.
Oh, that vent hole worked good.
Mm-hmm.
The vent hole here worked good.
Yeah. Nice.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I would say that it's not perfect. It cooled down here in this channel here. It's got a lot of pock marks in it. But it kind of worked. Okay.
It basically did.
Anyway, for the first one I've ever done, we've all done together. That's pretty interesting, huh? All right, so we're going to cut this and clean it. All right. All right, and just to give you a... Well, that's what I've got. That'll probably not work even for a hub because this leg was too short.
It was a good, fun first try.
We will cut it up and clean it up though and take a look at it. Alright, I'm very unhappy with this. I don't even really want to clean it up. It's just a disaster. Yeah, I don't really even know what to say. Back to the drawing board, definitely. Anybody want to give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. Alright, thanks for watching, YouTube.